Hey friends, this is John from the Big Blue Shop. This week I picked up a diesel and kerosene heater for my shop. It's also known as a torpedo heater. It was purchased at Princess Auto. Here I am taking it out of the box. It comes pretty much assembled. The only thing we really have to do is install the axle, pin on the wheels, and put on the handle. It's made by Heatstar. But from what I've been told, it's also the same manufacturer that makes the Remington, DeWalt, and Master. They do spit out a lot of heat. It is the 140,000 BTU model. The part of the shop that I'm heating up is about 1,000 square feet, so it should do it no problem. There is a thermostat that will kick on and kick off, and its ranges from 62 Fahrenheit to 17 Celsius and to 95 Fahrenheit to 35 Celsius. Its fuel capacity is 8.5 gallons or 32.18 liters. Its burn rate is about 1.3 gallons an hour or 3.9 liters an hour. It does run on 115 volts at 5.5 amps. I'll give you guys the pros and cons to this thing so far. I have been using it for about a week. Pros, she spits out a lot of heat. I'm nice and warm once it's going. And yeah, I'm very happy with it. Cons, it is kind of hard to fill. You can spill a little bit if you're not careful. She is very loud while it's running. You got to kind of yell at the person beside you if you're working with anyone. But then again, from all the other heaters I've used propane heaters, I've used a bunch of others. This one works nice. She spits out a lot of heat. I'm happy with it. I'm okay with the noise. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but I have left a section of the video where you guys could hear it run. Yeah, go check it out. Here I'm showing you the controls. It's an on-off. There's a fuel gauge, the temperature settings. Please leave a comment. Do you guys have any experience with these heaters? Would you guys use them? Do you guys like them? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. I'll try and keep the videos going.